Welcome to Riddoch at Home. My name's Emma. Today we're going to make some cute little animal planters to keep the kids entertained these school holidays. To make these cute little planters, you'll need a drink bottle. They come in all sizes and colours, but I find the clear ones are the easiest to paint. You'll need some plant cuttings in a little pot that you can insert inside the drink bottle, so you need to make sure they can fit. We need some sticky tape, double-sided tape, scissors. I've got some little artificial flowers, some googly eyes, some wool and some little stick-on pom-poms, whatever you've got around the house. I've got some Poscas and I also need some paint. So if you're using paint, obviously you might want to wear an apron and put a little placemat down to protect your table. As you can see, I've made two examples here. Today we're going to have a try at making a unicorn planter. So let's get started. For this first step, you might need help from an adult. With your drink bottle and a pair of scissors, you pinch your bottle, so there's a nice little fold in it. We want to make sure that it's where we put our little cut, our black pot will sit inside. So we're just going to measure it against our black pot and make sure it's higher than that. I've pinched my pot and I'm just going to use the scissors to put a little tiny hole in my bottle. Okay, so now I've got a hole in my bottle. I'm just going to pop the end of the scissors in and try and go around the circumference of the bottle as straight as we can. As I said, depending on the age of the child, you may need to do this for them. Okay, there's a couple of little bits here. I'm just going to trim it up a tiny bit just to make it nice and smooth. Okay, so that's the basis of our planter. The first step to creating our planter is to paint the base. I'm just using acrylic paints that I've got at home. We're going to put a white base coat on first. This white base coat will help our colour pop, and I've chosen hot pink. I have painted a base coat on my bottle, let that dry, and then I've put my hot pink colour over the top. So now we're going to do the decorating. I've got some artificial flowers, which I'm going to pop on the front. I've got some eyes, and we're going to use some Posca markers to draw a face. I'm going to attach the artificial flowers and the googly eyes with double-sided tape, and your child might need a little bit of help with this, just removing the white parts. And then I'm going to attach the horn and the mane with sticky tape. So I'm going to cut a couple of little pieces of double-sided tape and attach the flowers. I've attached my flowers, and now it's time to attach a unicorn horn and draw on the eyes and stick on the googly eyes. For the unicorn horn, I found some glittered cardboard and I've cut two horns, still deciding which one to use, either aqua or pink. I think I'm going to use the aqua. To attach that, I'll use sticky tape, and I'll put the sticky tape on the back side, the non-glitter side of my cardboard, and stick it to the inside of the drink bottle. Now I'm going to stick on the googly eyes with double-sided tape. To add a little bit of extra detail, I'm going to use a Posca fine marker to draw some eyelashes on my unicorn, and then we're going to attach the mane. For the mane, I have 8 strands of multicoloured wool. You could use any wool or any type of thread. What I've done is put a knot in the centre of that just to make it easier to find the middle and so that they don't all fall apart when you try to stick them to the inside of your planter. So just using a nice big piece of sticky tape or two, we're going to tape the wool to the inside. Piece there for strength. I think the mane is a little bit long, so I'll just give that a trim with my scissors. We're going to pop our little cutting in there. You could put some extra decoration, a little bit of extra glitter, or you could stick some pom-poms on, sequins. There's so many different ways you can make this little planter. Thank you for joining me for this magical workshop today. Keep an eye out for our future school holiday videos. We painted a white base layer, we let that dry, and then I've painted... You're not filming this, are you?